Welcome to Now Anyone Can Hand Feed Their Backyard Birds Without Leaving the Comfort of Their Own Home. This is the third video in the A Bird in the Hand video series, and in this video you will learn a quick and easy technique to condition your backyard birds to feed out of your bare hand through an open window. In order to be able to hand feed from a window in your home, you will need 5 basic things. Number 1, you will of course need the birds to feed. Number 2, you will need food to feed the birds. Number 3, you will need feeders to put the food in to attract the birds to your yard. Number 4, you will need a window with lace curtains from which to feed the birds. And number 5, you will need a quick and easy technique to condition the birds to move from the feeders to your hand to feed. Out of all your backyard birds, the easiest to hand feed will be chickadees. Then comes tufted titmice, red-breasted nuthatches, white-breasted nuthatches, downy woodpeckers, and blue jays. I've also been able to hand feed sparrows, starlings, cardinals, and red-bellied woodpeckers. Luckily, these are all fairly common backyard feeder birds, so you shouldn't have any problem attracting a few of these different kinds of birds into your yard.